Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet, and today we're gonna make Sully from the Monsters Inc. You can make it as a candle, you can make it as a topper, whatever you want. But before we start the video, please subscribe and press the bell button so you can get notifications, since I don't really have a date and I upload, so it's all crazy. So you can find all my social medias up there, and my video list is there, so you can click and find all my videos in Portuguese and English, news and all goodies. So just check it out, you have a lot of cool things there. So to start our little candle, I'm making candle, but if you want to make big, just make as big as you want. We're gonna make that little oval and mark where the eyes are gonna be. I'm using air dry clay if somebody wants to know. And now we're just gonna mark a little, like half a moon's line for his mouth. Now I'm gonna use the back of my tool to press and make 2 circles where the eyes are gonna be. We're gonna make 2 little balls in white to fill up those little holes we make for the eyes. And now we're gonna make a little dot in black for the little center of the eyes. If you prefer, you can wait it to dry and use a pen or acrylic paint too. And if you're using fondant or gum paste and make anything edible for a cake, you can really find airbrush paint, and you can paint as like you using acrylic paint, as easy as that. Now we made a little nose for him, just making a little triangle and marking the little holes. And now we're gonna make 2 little balls and squish down, and we're gonna cut in the middle, and that's gonna be the eyelids for his eyes. And we're gonna place in the top of the eyes and each of the sides. Now we're gonna make a little roll and cut in half and smooth the edges. That's for his eyebrows. He has a very big fluffy eyebrows. You can make him way more fluffier if you want to get a tool or a toothpick and things like that and mark all his fur. But I mark the fur when I'm making a bigger size of him. When it's little like that, I do not do it, but you guys can feel free to do it as well. So we're gonna just place on the top of his eyebrows. And now we're gonna make his body. You're gonna use the same size of the head, 2 times the same size of the head, and we're gonna make this roll. I'm just gonna tap on the table, and I'm gonna mark the top just for me to know where the top and the bottom is. You don't need to do this little mark, but I like to do it so I know when I'm moving around and putting all the polka dots, which side I decided to be the top and which side I decided to be the bottom. So now with the little light purple, we're gonna make a bunch of little polka dots, not a circle ones, just like spots, more than polka dots, like more like spots, and put all over his body. If you're clay or you're fondant, doesn't matter what you're using, it's not gluing, you can use the glue to adapt the material or a little bit of water too. And we're gonna do that on his head as well. Now we're gonna make 2 balls and 2 teardrop shapes to start making his legs. Just like that. Tap on the table so the bottom part is flat, so it's gonna help your figurine to stand still. And now we're gonna make a long one, like a row for his arms. Go up and down with your finger to separate the wrist, so that way you're gonna separate the hand and the arm. I'm not cutting it at the size, and now I'm gonna make the same thing for the other one. I'm gonna cut the little V, then we always do for hands to separate the thumb and the rest of the fingers. You can definitely leave like that and don't cut it out the fingers. I was going to leave like that, but in the middle of the video I decided to show you guys. Of course, you saw me, if you watch my videos, you saw me doing this like 1,000 times, but I decided in the end that I wanted to show you guys again. But I'm just gonna keep going, and we're gonna place a little glue, and I'll place the legs. I'm using white glue, like Elmer's glue, because I'm using air dry clay. But if you're using fondant, you can use a little water or a little bit of egg whites. And if you're using polymer clay, you can use that lickable, bakeable clay too. So you just adapt the materials, but the steps are the same. Now we're gonna put a little toothpick on the top, check if the body is on the shape I want, and place the head. Now that I was going to leave it like that, but I just want to show you guys that it's simple. You can just cut it and fix his hands. But since it's so little and it's a candle, and if you're making that to sell, it's better don't do that, because time is money. So they're gonna be with the hand closing anyway, or holding a candle or things like that, so you don't need to worry about. But I want to show you guys anyway. And now you're gonna figure out the way you want his hand to be, like fingers folding, whatever you want to do, which arm was going to hold the candle. If you want him to arms up and arms down, that's when you're gonna decide that. And now we're gonna place the little candle. I got this candle at Walmart or dollar store, everywhere. You can find this little candle, and we're just gonna place right there. And now we have him, and we're gonna put polka dots on the body, and nobody know because we already did that. The legs and arms. If you haven't, if you don't have me on Instagram, you can see like right down there. It's at Cupping Cakes Gourmet. There you can see what's coming. I already show Mario Bros. That's the video that's coming after this one, and things like that. And I have some giveaways there sometimes. I would like to celebrate, say thank you, things like that. So just don't forget to add me there. And if you use one of my step-by-steps, my tutorials here or there, just tag me so I can see what you guys doing. So now we made a row, and we just cut in a half, and we're gonna put it like one each side for his horns. And I'm using kind of like a white mixed with a little bit of brown, just to give this color. And now we made a really tiny row, and we're gonna cut it little pieces, because now we're gonna make his nails. He's a monster, so he has those dinosaur kind of dragon nails. So we're gonna make little tiny ones and put it on his hands and toes. I'm just not gonna do the one that is holding the candle, because since he's holding the candle, he has his finger, folded, so we will not see it even if it was there. And since you're holding the candle, you don't want to touch it too much, because you want it to dry steady, and then he's gonna really, really, really hold the candle right. And always remember, when you put a candle, to put it away from your model, so the top of the candle away from it, because you don't want your client to light it up there and put everything on fire. And he's done. I hope you really guys like him. Don't forget to subscribe, and before you leave, don't forget to give me a little like if you like this video, because it's very important to me and really helps my channel. All the information and material is gonna be under the show more tag. You just go there and you're gonna see all the information, and leave me a little comment if you like it, or if you like to see something else. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.